Instagram Notes. Firstly, you have to download the Instagram app on your Android by the Play Store. Then open the Instagram app in your Android. This is the desktop page of the Instagram. Then click on the profile menu. Then click on the right of the corner on the three lines. Then click on the option of account type and tools. Now click on the switch to professional account. Now click on continue. Now select any one of the category. I select education. Done. OK. Click on OK. Now go back. Before this, make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully and avoid forgetting anything and making the mistakes. Now click on next. Now go back. Now go back. Now see that this is the note option. You can add any note here of your choice. Write any random note here. Now you get the feature of the Insta Note here. That's all. You can do this on your Android as well as in your iPhone. I hope you have found value in this video. Also, please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thank you.